Cutting corners, a shortcut to understanding English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into a commonly used English idiom, cutting corners. Idioms are phrases that have a figurative meaning different from the literal meaning of the words themselves. Understanding these can really polish your English and help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started on our journey to learn what cutting corners means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Cutting corners is an idiom that means to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way by not adhering to the proper or traditional standards. Think about a driver taking a shortcut to save time instead of following the path. In life and work, cutting corners often refers to skipping steps or doing less than what is required to save time, money, or effort. But be careful. While it may have positive connotations in terms of speed and efficiency, it more often suggests a negative judgment, indicating that the result is of lower quality or less reliable because of the shortcuts taken. The phrase, cutting corners, comes from driving, where taking a turn at a corner without making a full turn saves time. Over time, it has evolved to mean any effort to save time or money by reducing the quality of work. It's interesting to know the origins because it gives depth to the usage of the phrase. When you understand where it comes from, you'll be able to use it more accurately and confidently. Let's look at some examples of how to use cutting corners in sentences. The construction company was accused of cutting corners when the new building quickly developed cracks. She always cuts corners on her homework, so she struggles on tests that you can't cheat on. In an effort to save time on the project, he cut corners by using lower quality materials. In these sentences, cutting corners is directly associated with negative outcomes or perceptions. It's easy to see how the phrase can be both descriptive and judgmental. This section is crucial because it teaches when it's generally a bad idea to cut corners. Safety procedures. Never cut corners when it comes to safety. It's important to follow all the steps to ensure everyone's well-being. Quality work. In any profession where quality is valued and observed, such as in healthcare or engineering, cutting corners can lead to serious consequences. Relationships. Personal or professional relationships can suffer if you cut corners in efforts to maintain them. Always invest the proper time and care. That's all on cutting corners for today. We hope this video helps clarify how and when to use this idiom in your daily English. Remember, idioms add flavor to your language, but knowing the right time to use them is just as important as knowing their meaning. Keep practicing, and don't cut corners in your learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!